Pete Gustis here with the Small Business Resource Center. Just wanted to answer some questions that I've been getting online. One of them is, what is the Small Business Resource Center? Well, the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com is an online resource that business owners, entrepreneurs, salespeople, marketing people can use. We should have over 12,000 different resources in the next couple months online. We're expecting to have around 250,000 different resources by the end of 2020. A lot of these are articles or content based, because when you have a website or social media or anything, one of the biggest things is having good content. If you don't have content, it actually hurts. And of course, to keep people engaged, you need content. So when you look at the categories, this is the home page. You can see some of the latest things we've uploaded. You have a marketing book, passive income book, headlines, things about fly fishing, video reports, how to exercise when you have a busy schedule. So you can see it's personal life, family, a lot of goal-oriented stuff. So anything you can think of, you can pretty much find. You can look for your ebooks, different software, website templates, videos, graphics packs. We do have an affiliate section and business consultant section. So if you look here, it says, what's your challenge? Like, let's just say you need help with email. Just hit email and enter. And then boom, 5 years of email marketing. So for the small monthly fee, you can get 5 years of email marketing. If that doesn't cover it, I don't know what else to tell you, but there's so many different things that you can find as far as email resources. Let's just say if you click on this, you can get more information. And then if you like it, you hit download. If you do not have a membership, it will automatically take you to the membership section. Pick the membership level that works for you. Once you get the resource, you actually have nothing else to do. If you quit the next month, that's fine. And we actually have a trial period where it's risk-free. You can cancel right after you sign up. But keep in mind, once you have a membership, if you continue under whichever plan that you decide you want to select, you're never going to have a price increase, even when we put all the other resources on. So we're probably going to be increasing the price once we get a larger library. And also we're going to have a goal tracker, which is going to help you with whatever you need, performance, financial goals, personal goals, or project related goals. And we will have a mobile app. Right now, this is more designed for business owners. It's not extremely mobile friendly, but if you're looking at it, the reason why is because there's so much to do here. It's hard to stick everything on here on a little phone and then say, okay, I'm going to be able to do all this. And plus, a lot of them you'd want to download on a desktop or a laptop and then use them for your website. And in particular, this page here was designed off a graphics pack, which I purchased. So if you're making your own website and you're saying, hey, I'm interested in doing something like this, you can download a graphics pack, edit it a little bit to your need, and then publish it on a website. The one thing I want to make notice too is the affiliate section. The affiliate section, if you're new or if you have a website and you want to save money, 99-cent domains, you can get that from GoDaddy. Inexpensive web hosting. So WordPress, $1 a month, 30% off GoDaddy. A lot of this is actually GoDaddy because I'm an affiliate with GoDaddy. So there's a lot of things you can go through. How to win in court if you have legal issues. We have a lot of things that you can take advantage of in the affiliate section. So check out the site, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any other questions or you need help with something else, and I'll see what we can do to help you out. The website is going to keep evolving too. So if you're a member of Small Business Resource Center and you're saying, hey, I could use this or this would help improve me, let me know and we'll see what we can do to add that. Okay, have a great day. smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. This is Pete Gustis, and I look forward to helping you soon.